Did you know that not all ribeyes are created equal? Hey, it's Jess Pryles from Hardcore Carnivore, and today I'm going to show you how to be a boss at the meat counter and pick the best ribeye steak. There are two things that you want to look for when it comes to picking a ribeye steak, and the first is marbling, and this goes for any steak. Marbling refers to that intramuscular fat, all those rippled seams of fat that run through the meat itself, and this has a huge impact on juiciness, flavor, and tenderness. So you want to pick the one with the most marbling. The second thing to look out for is the ribeye cap. That's this muscle right here, and it's considered the very best cut on the entire steer. The cap muscle starts off on one end and then it tapers off, so not all ribeye steaks will have it. You can see the difference here. This steak has a generous cap muscle, where this one does not. So this is definitely the steak that I'd be choosing. For more great tips, subscribe to the Academy Sports and Outdoors YouTube channel.